Okay, let's break down Palantir. It's a red day, guys. Palantir's down 4% right now, and every index is down as well, which don't worry, we'll cover that as well in this video. I said as well like 25 times. Let's get into it, guys. Let's just dive right into it, break down what's going on the charts. We'll cover some other stocks, maybe if we have time. So, yeah, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join that free email list if you guys want. It's a free newsletter, stock newsletter type deal. That is linked down below. So Palantir now is down 4% on the day after almost so close, almost getting to $100 per share. Yesterday, after we got the NATO news, we covered that yesterday, not in a video, or maybe we did. No, we did actually. I made a short about it too. Either way, we had a big move, got to $99, right? And now we're back down to $94, $95 per share. As again, the entire market is slipping. The Nasdaq, is down 1.3, S&P's down 0.6, Dow's down barely actually. It's pretty much break even. It might flip green any second actually. And the Russell is down about 0.25%. So it's not an abysmal red day by any means, but we are down across the board right now, and Palantir's down $4 per share, and we can see on this 30-minute time frame the chart still looks great, and Palantir's on a ridiculous run here, guys. We were at $65 per share just 9 days ago, literally on the 7th of April. We were at 65 a share, and now we're at 94, so we're up 45%, but we were just at 99 essentially. We were up over 50% off the lows, and again, even though we're down on the day right now, we're still maintaining trend, which is a good sign for the bulls in the short term. And we can see even on the 1 hour time frame, we took out the highs from about 3 weeks ago. So this stock has recovered quite nicely from the lows, very nicely. I mean, we're taking out multi-week highs right now, although we're still back under it now that I'm looking at it. But still, we took it out yesterday, almost got to $100 a share. So on the charts, we're definitely moving in the right direction. You can see we're breaking out of these moving averages. We have been for a couple of days now. I'm pretty sure we called out this inverse head and shoulders. That played out, and now really the next main spot is $98 per share, which we covered that in many videos recently. I'll say it again, and we just mentioned it. That's the high from late March, which we just took it out, but now we're back under it. This has to retake, essentially. We have to retake it, break above it, and at that point, especially with good earnings, maybe we'll see how that goes, but that's where this could really start taking off. These are the targets on the upside I'm looking at, right? We have, what's this one at? 107, 108, roughly. We can see if we zoom in, we kind of peaked there after earnings back in February for a little bit. Then we broke through. That also was the high from the end of February a little bit there. So PLTR, guys, could be going back to 107, 108 maybe. Maybe from there potentially starts going up to 117, 125 is the all-time high. It could be in range, but let's not get too far ahead of ourselves here, right? Let's see how earnings look. They're on the 5th of April, or May, excuse me, I believe. Let me double check. Yep, 5th of May after the bell. That's coming up. That's like 3 weeks away. So we're going to see how those look. And in the meantime, I mean, we're probably going to see the charts play out. I mean, we'll see the breakout if it comes before the earnings, most likely. It depends on how the markets look as a whole. But at this point, man, in the short term, keep your eyes on the charts. 98.50 is a big spot. I'll set my alert there. Right around 98.50. We break out of there. 100 plus, 105 plus is where it could be going. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me actually get some coffee. Cheers. All right. So let me show you these indexes. We've covered this before, how we've been seeing a ton of resistance at this moving average. You guys see it clear as day on the 4-hour chart. This is where we've gotten hit time and time again since essentially the end of February when this downtrend started. You guys see that here. So each time we've seen little rallies, bull traps, dead cat bounces, whatever you want to call them, we've gotten hit at this moving average, and we're there again. And yet again, we're seeing resistance at this point, clearly on SPY and on QQQ. So at this level, guys, you never know if this is the bottom or not. I mean, we could very well break out and start pushing 550 plus, even though we're at 535. But we could start breaking out. But you kind of have to look at it and be like, all right, we're still in a downtrend. Trade war is escalating a bit. Sure, there could be deals with other countries. I think we talked about recently there's 15 countries or 14 excluding China that are close to a deal right now with the U.S. regarding tariffs. I don't know. But the reality is we're still seeing a lot of escalation, and the stock market could easily go back down here. I mean, we're starting to see volatility kick back up. We're moving down right now. So I think the more logical, guess would be we go lower here just based on, again, the environment we're in. But the stock market sometimes does the opposite of what you think, as I'm sure everybody has learned by now, So we don't really know for sure, but I don't know. I'm holding some cash. I bought stocks heavily on this dip right here. When Nvidia was at like 85.90, when all these stocks were getting hit, when SPY was at 480, 490, I was buying a good amount of stocks there and ETFs. And now on this rally, I'm like, all right, I've nibbled a little bit, but I'm like, okay, let's see if we get another leg down. If we get another leg down here, it's like I'm gonna buy more. That's the thing. But I'm trying to almost time the market, even though I haven't really been timing the market, guys. The reality is I've been buying this whole time, but I'm just really paying attention to the charts here and trying to buy at the right times, or at least what I think is the right time based on the chart. So we'll see, man. We'll see. You could also argue we have a bull flag right here. I mean, you kind of see it, right? So you got to look at it from both angles. Who knows? We could be breaking out here. We could get a big deal in a couple of days that sends the market soaring, and all this is useless pretty much. But that's the kind of market we're in, right? But at this point, man, you can make an argument, a stronger argument, I think, that we might be going lower. What do you guys think about that? I'm curious. But overall, that's pretty much it on that side of things, or on those side of things. And pretty much it for Palantir. Again, we covered that. Watch the mid-98s, big spot on the charts. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, follow along for more content, and join the free email stock newsletter. I send out my top stocks for free right to your email, linked down below. Put your first name and, you guessed it, your email, and I'll send you that every week. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next one.